Cruise ships and shipbreaking industries once again in talking point. Cruise industry is badly affected by corona pandemic and luxurious cruise ship owners are clueless what to do with their fleet. Along in India and Turkey received major stake of cruise ships sent for recycling. But this is the first occasion Gadani shipbreaking yard got an opportunity to dismantle cruise ship. Hello friends, once again we welcome you on our channel Shipping in Box. In continuation to bringing an informative stories on shipping in maritime sector, today we are going to show you inside view of luxurious cruise ship arrived at Gadani shipbreaking yard for demolition purpose. This video consists interesting clippings of inside view of luxurious cruise ship. Hence, please stay tuned till the end of this video. Luxurious cruise ship Antares Experience, formerly known as Costa Romantica, Costa Neo Romantica and Celestial Experience, was a cruise ship completed in 1993 in Italy as a sister ship to Costa Neo Classica. She was refurbished in 2003 and from 2017 assigned to the Asian market. The ship was sold in 2020 to Celestial Cruises. It never operated for Celestial and was sold again and renamed as Antares Experience in September 2021. It has since been sold for scrap late 2021 and is no longer in service. In November 2011, Costa Romantica underwent refurbishing. 2 new half deck were added as a part of refurbishment, as well as 111 new cabins, 120 cabins and chutes with balcony and several new amenities including bar and lounges included. This increased the gross tonnage of the ship from 53,000 to 56,000 tons. The length increased to 220 meters. The vessel as built had a gross tonnage of 53,000 ton and 7,781 tons deadweight. Costa Romantica measured 220 meters long overall and 181 meter between the beam of 30 meters. The vessel is powered by 4 diesel engines with true propellers. This gives the ship a maximum speed of 19 knots. The luxurious cruise ship has capacity of 1,578 passengers in 789 cabins. Cabins range in various sizes of 74 have a balcony. The ship has capacity of 662 crew as well. The vessel was constructed at Italy. The cruise ship's keel was laid down in 23rd April 1992 and vessel was launched on 28th November 1992. Costa Romantica was completed on 25th September 1993 and entered in service in November of the same year. The vessel was registered in Genoa, Italy and is owned and operated by Costa Croatia. On 25th February 2009, a small fire erupted in one of the engines and in one of the electric generator of Costa Romantica off coast of Uruguay, about 10 kilometers from the city of Punta del Este. After the incident, the vessel was settled for more than 24 hours and for a long period there was no electricity or running water. Costa Romantica was partially repaired and was able to sail approximately 1 kilometer from the coast, where she was then evacuated by landing ships. The passengers were sent home and Costa Romantica's next scheduled cruise was cancelled. In November 2011, Costa Romantica underwent Euro 19 million for refurbishing at Genoa. After the refurbishing, the ship was renamed as Costa Neo Romantica and started her first journey with new name in March 2012. In early 2017, Costa Neo Romantica arrived in Hong Kong to operate cruises in Asia market. In February 2018, Costa Neo Romantica served as the J Winter Fashion Show in 2018 setting in Hong Kong. During the COVID-19 pandemic, cruises from China abroad Costa Neo Romantica were cancelled at the end of January and early February 2019. This was later experienced through the end of February. While awaiting permission to sail, the vessel remained in Vietnam. On 26 March, the ship was no passenger on board. Anchored at roadstead of Vladivostok in Russia to refresh the ship with water, fuel and food. However, it was denied to entrance as the Russian sanitary officials stipulated the dock workers to be quarantined for 14 days. No COVID-19 cases on board were reported. In July 2020, the ship was sold to Celestial Cruises. They renamed as Celestial Experience and laid up at Piraeus, later Eleusis. In September 2021, due to the pandemic, Celestial sold the ship while still in layup to Beacon and Bay Shipping Services of Dubai, who renamed her as Antares Experience, reportedly for on sale of future trading. It was later reported that it was sold for scrap. In November 2021, the ship sailed to the Gadani shipbreaking yard in Pakistan for scrapping. The ship was beached in Gadani shipbreaking yard on 3rd December 2021. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. We'll meet you in next stories with some interesting stories on shipping and maritime sector. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.